We're heading out this morning to deploy an ocean glider in Storm Bay, about 60 kilometres southeast of Hobart. Over the next 3 weeks, this glider will profile through the water column across the Tasmanian shelf from coastal to oceanic water and back. We'll be collecting data including temperature, salinity and nutrient levels to characterise the natural ventilation or flushing of Storm Bay.
Here in Tasmania, the state government's keen to explore offshore sites like Storm Bay here for the further development of sustainable and environmentally responsible aquaculture.
The Tasmanian salmon industry has grown rapidly over the last decade. It now represents an $800 million a year industry, directly employing over 2,000 Tasmanians. We work with all sectors of the aquaculture industry to keep Tasmania at the forefront of the fastest growing sector in the global economy, the blue economy. To do that, we seek out and draw upon the best available science.
Building on previous studies, we're starting a new 3-year project to deliver a modelling and information system for Storm Bay. The state government wants a comprehensive understanding of the way nutrients move through the water in Storm Bay to inform decisions on the intensity and location of proposed aquaculture.
The CSIRO's COAST program has long been focused on the provision of excellent science in support of the development of sustainable blue economy initiatives.
By putting the water samples from Storm Bay through this nutrient analyser, we are able to validate the highly accurate measurements of nutrients and other chemicals made by the glider. This science will underpin the integrity of the modelling work done by others in the team.
Over a number of years, we've developed world-leading models and information tools so that we can draw together huge amounts of data to make sense of ecosystems such as Storm Bay.
I'm part of a sister project also focused on the Storm Bay region that is translating our numerical simulations into decision support tools. To do this, I'll be using the latest version of Connie, a tool that's been developed here over the past decade. Connie's been used extensively in regions such as the Great Barrier Reef, as well as in the Chilean aquaculture industry.
We're currently working with the Chilean authorities to support their development of sustainable management practices. The modelling work that I lead for the CSIRO takes a whole of system approach. It looks at the bits in the water, but it also looks at the social and economic considerations too. And by taking that big picture, we can provide a long-term view.
Once our models have assimilated all the available data, they can be used by managers to test different management options.
This means that the field data we collect ultimately contributes to planning for the sustainable development of the blue economy, not just in Storm Bay, but across state, national and international boundaries.
Engaging CSIRO teams in projects such as Storm Bay gives confidence not only to government, but also industry and the community that we're receiving the best possible evidence-based science.
CSIRO's sophisticated modelling and information systems support government and industry planning that balances society's well-being in our beautiful natural environment, both here and at many locations around the world.